Do you know ApeSwap but never truly understood how it is successful? Hi, I'm Tim, and today you will learn how ApeSwap business works. ApeSwap's overall objective is to be the most connected DeFi hub in all of crypto, focused on offering an accessible, transparent and secure experience for everyone. It's pretty much what they have become, by having one of the biggest partner networks, with more than 200 partners being part of the jungle. This can be tracked on ApeSwap's homepage, right here. ApeSwap offers a full suite of tools to explore and engage with decentralized finance opportunities, both for users and partners. You can join the ApeSwap ecosystem by interacting with the community, using the DeFi products, and purchasing the native tokens, Banana and G-Nana. The products which ApeSwap offers range from tools that allow swapping of tokens, to earning money by providing liquidity and participating in initial Ape offerings, having exclusive access to new crypto projects. As the decentralized hub ApeSwap is, it incentivizes liquidity by renting the vast majority of it, paying out high incentives to the liquidity providers, emitting Banana. To solve this, instead of paying Banana for just borrowing liquidity, ApeSwap actually launched a revolutionary feature where ApeSwap exchanges Banana for owning the liquidity, called treasury bills. This gives the DEX permanent liquidity, which helps to support larger trades and guarantee price stability. To manage Banana circulation, ApeSwap also implemented the lending network, where thanks to the creative use of fees generated from the network, there will always be assets on the market to borrow. 90% is destined to buy back Banana, and 10% to ApeSwap treasury. Of the buyback amount, 55% is locked in the ApeSwap lending network forever. Besides this, of all trading fees earned by ApeSwap, 50% are used to buy back and burn Banana on a quarterly basis. ApeSwap also performs a weekly burn every Thursday, also known as Burns Day, that includes both a protocol burn and a manual burn, and the results are announced via Twitter, Discord, and Telegram. To learn more about all the ways of managing Banana inflation, check this video, link in description. All of these features join forces to manage Banana inflation. ApeSwap's team is constantly developing new concepts to regulate Banana circulation, and is always open to discuss new burning mechanics. Don't forget to like, comment, share on social media, and subscribe if you learned something, so that you don't miss the next videos.